wait a minute. Uh-oh. That triangle is too big. It's bigger than the other ones. Is there something here I can fix, or should I just put this away and start all over again?
Welcome to Art Lessons with the Dream Keepers.
Happy thoughts. Introduce yourself.
I'm all about making you smile, because art should be fun.
And hard work. What about you?
I'm all about keeping you focused, because great art should be finished.
You're both right. Let's be a super team today. Today we're going to color a capybara on ice skates and decorate his tall stack of presents.
When we need some help, we'll peek inside the Dream Keepers book. There's always a little magic waiting in there. Are you ready?
Woohoo! Here we go! Yeah. Let's do this!
Oh, boy!
Let's go!
To follow along, you can get this coloring page at my website, ahcreations.com, or you can start with your very own drawing. I'm imagining that this capybara has lots of colorful presents with fun patterns. Can you see them? I'm going to start with this one and draw some candy canes.
Trust your imagination. It's got great ideas.
For this present, we're going to make some stripes that go behind the bow. Start with one line in the middle, stop when you get to the bow, and then continue and stop when you get to the capybara's face.
Hard work shows up in every line you draw. Keep at it.
And then, in the space that's in between the green stripes, I'm going to make some dots in a long line.
It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to start.
Let's do another green bow on top. In this present, I'm going to make some tiny little triangles. They look like tiny Christmas trees. Oh, wait a minute. Uh-oh. That triangle is too big. it's bigger than the other ones. Is there something here I can fix, or should I just put this away and start all over again?
Maybe the Dreamkeeper's book could help us here. Let's find the page where we're traveling through the swamp of discovery. This one. Things could get messy, especially in the swamp of discovery.
Yahoo!
It might even seem like too much trouble. Take time to care for your dream and celebrate the progress you've made.
Such a big star. Yes, you are. Oh, yes, you are.
The Swamp of Discovery looks like a place where you need to just keep going and see what happens. It's okay to make mistakes because that's how you figure out the right answers. It's a lot of work with lots of practice to get better, but we could look at it as something really fun, too. We can get creative.
Okay, yeah. Time to bring the fun. I can totally do this part.
Thank you. Now that's teamwork.
Back to the art. Let's celebrate.
You're right. Let's keep going. I do like the candy cane stripes here. That's a happy thought. Let's see what else I can figure out with this triangle. If I color that in, it sort of looks like a big tree. Why don't I add a little box at the bottom? There we go. It looks like a winter tree. So I'll have some big trees and some small trees. Let's make another big tree right here. And another one right here. There we go. And then I can still make a lot of little trees too.
Your imagination is in charge, so let it shine.
Wait, I thought I was in charge.
You handle the work, I'll handle the fun.
That was really fun getting creative with those triangles. I'm thinking I want to do a little bit of a challenge on this one. Let's make a string of lights.
Each drawing is a chance to improve. Let's keep pushing.
Growing and learning, that's a reason to celebrate. Let's go!
Can you think of a story about this capybara? That's a very tall stack of presents he's skating with. Oh, what if he slipped and dropped the presents? Would he be sad? Or would he be mad? What would he do? Could happy thoughts help him to get back up and try again? Could hard work help to fix a present that was broken? What do you think would happen next? And there we go, a capybara on ice skates with a tall stack of colorful presents.
Look at that!
Great finish.
Thanks for drawing with us today. Keep practicing. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish with a little hard work and a lot of happy thoughts.
Hey!
Or, okay, a lot of hard work and a little happy thoughts? Both equal. Okay. Bye.
See you next time.
Keep smiling!
To get the Dream Keepers book or schedule an author-illustrator visit to your school, check out my website, ahcreations.com.